Do you have a problem with your machine tool? Is it not functioning properly? Then it may be the ball screws. Removing and inspecting the ball screws is the first step to try to diagnose the problem. One of the easiest things to do first is to look for any obvious damage. If there is obvious damage to the ball screw shaft threads, or if the recirculation inserts have fallen out, then that could be pretty serious. If you can't see any obvious damage to the ball screw, then it's worth trying to repair it, as this is much faster than ordering a new ball screw, which may take several months. Because ball screws move at an incredibly fast speed and have a high angular velocity, it's important that any repair is effective. Repairing or refurbishing a complex component such as a ball screw is a very intricate process. Other than the ball bearings, there are several component parts that make up the recirculation system. The first step is to dismantle all the parts and thoroughly clean everything. One of the hardest parts to assess is inside the ball nut, so you will need to examine any damage to the internal threads and recirculation system. It's important that the damage is assessed in detail if the repair is going to be effective. All the components need to be thoroughly inspected, and if there is damage, this must be made good prior to repair. Spare parts for ball screws are not commercially available, so if you can't remanufacture, it's generally best to go to a specialist. Apart from the recirculation system, you also need to evaluate the correctness of the spacer units, especially with double nut type ball screws, as they would either need to be remade or reground prior to start of repair. The ball screw is then rebuilt once all the parts are cleaned, repaired or remanufactured. It is important you don't use the old ball bearings. You'll need to reball the ball screw several times, each time using slightly different ball sizes, and measure the running load each time until you get the required load measurement. Once you have found the optimum ball size and you have the correct running load, then it can be refitted into your machine tool. If this sounds like a complex process, then using the services of a specialist repair company such as PGM Reball is a fast, effective solution. Our repair service provides a high-quality solution, and all our repairs come with a standard warranty, and we have a fixed price for standard repairs, so there's no hidden cost. With expert technicians and an extensive stock range of spare parts and over 30 million ball bearings in stock, PGM Reball is all you need for your ball screw repairs. Our ball screw replacement service is second to none, and we carry a large stock of precision ball screws ready for modification to match your sample ball screw. We can even pick up and deliver your ball screw door to door. Please don't hesitate to get in touch by phoning us on 01455 618 100 or email us on sales@pgmreball.co.uk or by finding us at LE10 3BZ. Thank you for watching.